Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to freeze panes or how to freeze rows and columns. Hey, if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button below. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any questions related to Excel and VBA, write down in the comment section. Let's begin. I will show you how to freeze the top row and how to freeze the first column, and also I will show you how you can freeze multiple rows and columns as per your requirement or as per your choice. So first I will show you how you can freeze the top row. For this you have to click on the view tab. Then in the window group you can see there is an option freeze panes. Click on this drop down and you can see the option freeze top row. Just click here. Here you can see a dark line is added. That means the top row is freeze. If you scroll your data, you can see the top row will not move. Now I will show you how to unfreeze. So again click on the view tab, then freeze panes, and click on the unfreeze panes. See, it is unpained. That means the top row is moving. How you can freeze the first column? For this you have to click on the view tab and in the window group section, then freeze panes and freeze first column. You can see here also a dark line is added. That means the first column is fixed or freeze. If you scroll your data, column A will remain same. Let's unfreeze. Now I will tell you how you can freeze multiple rows and columns at a time. Suppose you want to freeze these 4 rows. That means row number 1, row number 2, row number 3 and row number 4. And you want to freeze column number A, column number B, column number C and column number D. For this you have to select a cell below the row number 4 and below the and after the column number E. So for this let me mark. Now you can click on the view tab and click freeze panes and select the freeze pane option. You can see a dark line is added below the row number 4 and after the row column number E, column name E. Now if you move your data in the upper side, you can see the row number 4 is fixed, and if you scroll your screen, you can see that column number E is fixed. Now go unfreeze the panes so it will in the normal mode again. That's it for this video. Thank you.